Hi, it's Ty with WTI, and here I have Vaseline's Essential Healing Intensive Care body lotion, but I use it mainly as a hand cream because I like the fact that it's good for sensitive skin, because I have very sensitive skin. I can't use just any body lotion, and this one is very good. Doesn't feel greasy as it promises. You can go straight in working on your computer, for example, and you won't get that greasy feeling. It's a very good hand lotion. I really like it. I hope you like it too. And that, of course, is my point of view.
Well, I like to use self-tanner a lot, and if you don't use a water-based lotion, then it'll really destroy your tan. So someone recommended Vaseline lotion to me, and I have been using this for like 10 years now, because it helps your fake tan last longer. It doesn't break it down, and it helps it just stays really well. It doesn't like peel off right away. And I love this because it doesn't have like a super strong scent. It's not going to overpower your perfume. It's just very lightweight, and I love this brand. I love this brand in general. It's just a really, really creamy feeling lotion. But my favorite thing about this lotion is that it's water-based though. Because it just dries really nice. It hydrates your skin, but it also doesn't leave you feeling greasy or oily, and it just really like melts into your skin. So I highly recommend this. If you like to do fake tanner and you want it to last longer, this is the lotion for you.
Hey guys, I just wanted to jump on here and give you my review of Vaseline Intensive Care Essential Healing Body Lotion. So I bought this lotion because I find that, especially in the winter when I'm washing my hands a lot, I'm washing my hands a lot year round, but it's really bad in the winter. My skin tends to get pretty dried out, like my knuckles get, kind of start to crack and bother me. And so I bought this lotion. I've been buying this particular brand now, this formulation, for a few years, and it works great. So they mention on here that it keeps skin moist for 3 weeks. So I have actually found that claim to be relatively true. I found that if I use the lotion kind of religiously every time I wash my hands for a couple of days, then my skin will be really nicely moisturized and I won't have to use it again for like weeks. And then another thing that's really nice about this is it's got this fancy pump situation where you can lock it and unlock it. So when it's locked, it won't push down at all. When it's unlocked, then you just push it down to get your nice little dollop of hand lotion there. Yeah, so you can see the back and the ingredients if that is something that you're interested in, but it is basically like it's made by Vaseline, so it's got Vaseline, like a more watery version, if you will, of Vaseline, and it's very moisturizing, and I like it a lot, and I would recommend it.